Hi all, welcome to Learn Code Repeat. So today we'll be looking at the day 24 of the September LeetCode challenge. The name of the problem is find the difference. Let's look into the problem. So the problem says given two string s and t which consists of any lowercase letter, string t is generated by randomly shuffling string s and then add one more letter at a random position. Find the letter that was added in t. So they have given a string s with some letters and string t, and they have mentioned that all the letters will be lowercase letter. So the both s and t contains only lowercase letter, and t will have only one additional letter which is not there in s. So we have to find that additional letter. So this is one of the easy category problem which can be solved simply using a hash table like a hash map, or we can also have a array because they have mentioned that it's only lowercase letter, so there will be only 26 letters, right? So we can build the frequency for this s. We can go over this s once, build the frequency of the letters in s, and we can go over the characters in string t, and we can reduce the frequency in the table if it exists, and if it doesn't exist then add that frequency. And then we can go over the table again and check whatever index position doesn't have value as 0, right? That is the character which is additional. So we can do it that way. So that approach will take O of n time to go over the array, and it will take additional O of n space because we have to maintain that array, right? So the space will be, we are using 26 characters, so it will be kind of a constant space. However, it can also be solved without using that additional character array, right? So let's see how we can solve that. So we can use here XOR. So if you remember the properties of XOR, A XOR A will always be equal to 0. Okay, so for example, 1 XOR 0 is 1. If it is two different digits, then it will be 1. Similarly, if it is 0 XOR 1, it will be 1, but if it is 0 XOR 0, it will be 0. Okay, and similarly if it is 1 XOR 1, it will be 0. Okay, so if it is same digits, then it will be 0. If it is different digits, then it will be 1. Okay, so we can use that same logic here. So we go over the string s and XOR each character, then we go over string t and XOR the characters again, right? So eventually A will cancel A, B will cancel B, C will cancel C, D will cancel D, and at the end we'll only have E. Okay, so let's do that here. So I'll declare one int variable for int I in s dot to char array, or let's call it ch. This is my character. So I'm doing a XOR, so C equal to C XOR ch. Similarly, I'll go over the characters in T. Okay, I'm keeping the same C variable. I have declared it here int because it will convert the s.toChar array. It will convert the ch to int and it will do the XOR. I'm using the same variable to store the XOR value. Here also I'm using the same variable to store the XOR value. So first I'm going through the character array of s, then I'm going through the character array of t. The XOR operation I'm storing it in the same variable c. So at the end c will only have the additional character. The rest of the characters will cancel each other. Okay, so I can return here char of c. Okay, so this should give us the answer. So let's submit, and the answer is accepted. That's it for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel for future such videos. Thank you.